Welcome to the Depart tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you through the installation, configuration, and use of Depart. Deposit and part payment for WooCommerce. Let's start with the installation process. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, add new. Simply upload the zip file and click Install Now. Once installed, activate the plugin. We'll build payment plans. Go to the Depart settings and click on Payment Plans. Here, you can create customized payment schedules. Give your plan a name, set the duration, and define the installment amounts and intervals. You can also add fees for each installment if needed. Remember to save your plan. Now, let's set up global deposit rules. Navigate to Deposit Rules under Depart Settings. Here, you can create rules that apply to multiple products. Name your rule and set conditions like price range, product categories, and user roles. Select the payment plans to apply and save your rule. These global rules ensure deposits are managed consistently across your store. For more specific needs, you can set custom deposit rules at the product level, edit any product in your WooCommerce store, and scroll down to the deposit settings under Product Data. Check this checkbox to disable deposit rules for this product. By doing so, the product will be excluded from both custom and global deposit rules. Choose the type of deposit rule here. In this video, I'll demonstrate using the custom type. Now, select or create new payment plan specific to that product. This allows for tailored payment options on a per-product basis. Now, let's see how a customer can make a deposit order. On the product page, customers will see a deposit checkbox and a Select Plan button to choose a payment plan. After selecting a plan, the Add to Cart button changes to Add to Cart Deposit. Customers can proceed to check out and place the order, initiating the deposit process. In the My Account section under Orders, customers will find their deposit orders listed along with other order types. Here, they can view the details of each deposit order, including order summary, payment status, payment history, and payment links. This section provides customers with a clear view of their deposit orders, allowing them to track progress and manage their payments conveniently. Managing deposit orders is straightforward. Go to WooCommerce, Orders. Here, you'll see orders with deposit statuses. Click on any order to view its details. Scroll down to the Installment Plan section on the Order Editing page. Here, you will see a list of associated suborders with their IDs. You can click on an ID to be redirected to the suborder editing page. You will also see the payment date, payment method used for each suborder, and the associated amount, which includes any fees. Additionally, each suborder's status is displayed, and the admin can manually mark a suborder as completed by checking the Completed checkbox. Depart creates a menu called Suborders under WooCommerce dashboard. Deposit orders are linked to suborders for each installment. In the Suborders menu, you can track and manage these payments, marking them as completed or overdue as necessary. Go to Depart Settings to configure options like automatic payments, excluded payment methods, and email notifications. Keep this option enabled to use all features of Depart. This feature allows users to make partial payments without a fixed schedule, offering flexibility to pay at their convenience. Use this option to display or hide the reminder email column here. This setting controls whether fees are shown or hidden on the front end. Enable this option for automatic installment processing. Note that it only works with specific payment methods. This option allows you to hide certain payment methods if there is a deposit product in the cart. Let's give it a try. As for the last 5 options, they are designed to manage how coupons, taxes, fees, shipping, and shipping taxes are handled or applied to deposit orders. You can configure these to apply to future payments, initial deposits, or split equally between the deposit and future payments. Adjust these settings to fit your business needs and ensure a smooth deposit process for both you and your customers. Lastly, let's configure email notifications. Depart creates 2 types of emails. Partial payment received. This email is sent when an installment is paid successfully. Partial payment reminder. This email can be sent manually from the reminder email column in the WooCommerce orders or suborder dashboard, or automatically, when an order suborder is marked as overdue or is due today. In Depart Settings, go to the Emails tab. Here, you can enable or disable the email notifications or go to the page to customize their content. Personalize the email subject, heading, and body using placeholders. This ensures your customers receive clear and consistent communication about their deposit orders and installments. Depart is compatible with the WooCommerce Email Template Customizer plugin. This free plugin enables you to fully customize the email content and design to match your brand. After installing and activating both plugins, you'll have access to the associated editor, where you can adjust the email layout, colors, fonts, and content. This flexibility allows you to create a personalized and professional experience for your customers, ensuring that your emails not only convey the necessary information, but also reflect your store's unique style. You can access the email templates through the email customizer settings in your WordPress dashboard, where you can make changes and preview them in real time.